Al-Masudi and Muhammad al-Mahdi from the 23rd of the 7th month of 1446. Al-Masudi went further and spoke broader than any of his time, in a sense, when compared with who is said to be the Imam of our time. Accurate relations can, and probably should, convey the myths of others. To him, religion was an ambition to take up accounts and be an analyzer. He was someone who went to the effort to directly know of the cultures. Teaching stories and the fantastic aren't always for the historiographer. And al-Masudi did relate what was the case about what people believed in the various lands. And he went outside areas that were ruled by Muslimin, or even commonly inhabited by Muslimin. And so people consider him the Herodotus of the time. But Herodotus was nowhere near as careful with the fantastic. It wasn't, these people believe this. And his full name was Abu Hassan Ali bin al-Hussein bin Ali al-Masudi. And yeah, he was quite the avid traveler, so that was very impressive that time. And Muhammad bin al-Hussein is believed by the Twelver Shia to be the last of the Imams. And people believe that after 868 to 874 of the Common Era, that he went through, that he was made the official Imam of the time. And he went into hiding. When did he go into hiding? So 941. And then there was a time that he went into complete hiding and no one knew where he was the idea. But people believe that he's going to return. And there isn't much known about him comparatively with the other 11. And there's some doubt historically of his existence. I just put that out, but I'm not saying there's proof against the idea that he, so Surah 21, 105, and 28, 5 to 6 are thought to reference that. And also 1865 to 66, although those verses in themselves don't entirely make that point.